Good morning, student. Yesterday we will solve the Modi method first example. Today we will solve another example for Modi method. Here we will see. Yesterday we will see the only two vacant cell evaluation. That means here we see 3000 and 5400. Both vacant cell evaluation is positive value. That means our optimal solution is positive. Here we will see another example for Modi method or UV method. See, the question is another. Find the optimal solution of the following transportation problem using Modi method and use WEM to find out IBFS. Here we will see the question for IBFS. We will find out. For IBFS we have find out WEM method. M1, M2, M3, M4, F1, F2, F3, F4. Supply and demand is 20, 15, 25, 40, 30, 20, 25, 25. Demand and supply summation, first we will check 1000. Then we will use the WEM method for find out the initial basic feasible solution. Here we will find out the WEM method total transportation cost. WEM method means different row and column difference and which get apply minimum resources value. So if we find out WEM method, total transportation cost is our 2010 rupees. Then check optimality test. Optimality test means here we solve the minimum transportation cost 2010 rupees. First we will check Modi method. We get put down V1, V2, V3, V4, U1, U2, U3 and U4. Then put down the which resources we get apply demand and supply. That means first row is 1, second row 2, 4 and 3. Third row is only 3. Fourth row is 3 and 1. Then taking any value of U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3 and V4, take any value of 0. Here we get taking U2 is equal to 0. To find out other value is V1 is equal to 2, V2 is equal to 4, V3 is equal to 2, V4 is equal to 3, U1 is equal to minus 2, U3 is equal to 1 and U4 is equal to minus 1. Here we will find out other value for the above equations. U1 plus V4 is equal to 1, U2 plus V1 is equal to 2, U2 plus V2 is equal to 4. Check all equation and find out the other values. Then put down all values from above table. 2, 4, 2, 3, then minus 2, 0, minus 1 and 1. Both value we will put down. And find out the other resources, that means positive or negative. On performing vacant cell evaluation, same we can find out the other sources positive or negative. If positive, so here we get put down notification for plus symbol. If any value negative, we get here put negative value. That example here minus 1. All other resources we get positive value, only one resources we get minus value, that means minus 1. That means minus 1, that means here 2. 2 resources we get apply demand and supply and we get that 2 resources which is positive. How? So we get here solve the closed loop position. If here we get demand and supply, if we get 2 apply to 5 resources from 3, so 3, 25 minus 5, that means 20. Then add 2, 5 plus 5, 10. Remove 4 resources, 5 minus 5, 0. We get also add 5 resources, 3, 15 plus 5, 20. We get also subtract resources 25 minus 5, that means 20. That means here we see the all closed loop formation. First of all, this loop. Which loop we get resources is add, that means positive, and if resources is negative, that means negative. That means it's subtracted. So all resources we get here put down and find out the other transportation cost. Here we will see the final all resources we get here put down and find out the total transportation cost is 2 into 10 plus 1 into 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 20 plus 1 into 20 and summation of all resources. That means total transportation cost is our 205 rupees. First transportation cost, find out the IBFS, we get 2010 rupees and check optimality test for MODI method or UV method, we get here find out the optimal test is transportation 205 rupees. That means 5 rupees decrease in transportation cost. Thank you.